Hello friend, my name is Azharul Haq. Welcome back to Advanced English Academy. In today's video, I would like to share or take you through one of the story which is very motivational and inspirational. And before we start the story, I would like to say one thing is that in my recent video, one of my friend has commented that sir, your voice was noisy and your voice was not that much clear. So I couldn't understand the part of the story which you trying to tell. So I want to say to them that because I'm not using microphone, that is the reason why this problem is going on. And I think that it is high possibility maybe in a few days this problem will be solved. So this is the story of a man who was very unhappy from a god, and that is the reason he was keep on saying that one day when I die, I will ask from the god that what pleasure are you getting? What pleasure are you getting by putting us into lots of trouble? So this kind of thought process was running in their mind. So one day he was trying to suicide, trying to attempt suicide, but someone watching him from little far away. He just came to them and stopped from doing suicide and asked the reason that why you want to die. Do you know that what he replied? He replied that because I am very unhappy from a God. God has given nothing to me, and I can see in the world lots of people are very wealthy and lots of people has given lots of things, but I am not one of them. And that is the reason he was very upset and sad and depressed, and he wanted to die. And he just made some kind of commitment that today I will die. I don't want to live in this world anymore. Then the man who saved him from doing suicide, he told him that please come with me. I will arrange 20 lakh rupees for you. He said, in return you have to give me only one thing, and you can fulfill my demand by giving those things. He says, okay, I will give it to you, but what is that things? He says that you have to give me 2 eyes, but he denied. Then he says that okay, just leave it, I will not ask for 2 eyes, you have to give me only 2 legs, which comes under 10 lakh rupees, and I'm going to give you 20 lakh rupees. You have to return only 2 lakhs, which comes under the 10 to 7 lakhs rupees. He also denied this time. Finally, he said that okay, just leave it. Don't give me 2 eyes or 2 legs. You have to give me 1 kidney, because you can survive even in 1 kidney. So he says that no, I can't. Then he told him that just realize that the person who doesn't have their arm or legs or other parts of the body, how does their life goes on? Do you know this? And you are saying that God has given nothing to me. God has already given to you a property of millions of dollars, but you are very ungrateful of a God, and that is the reason you are saying this. So this is a small and inspirational story which actually was running in my mind from a long time. So I thought that it should must be put across, so you guys should must understand, and therefore you can change your thoughts from negative to positive. That's it for today. Bye bye.